Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'll be giving you my thoughts about where we are in the market as well as where I think we might be going in the short to near future. Before I jump into the charts, let me first remind you guys I do have a giveaway happening on this channel where I will be giving away a free 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. So if you guys want in on that giveaway, if you guys want to be supportive, just hit the sub button. It could be you that wins an absolutely free 50-inch flat screen TV. With that being said, guys, let me first introduce you guys to my puppies. My little pit bull puppies. This is Ada right here. Ada is going to work on her chew toy. She's a couple of months old. I absolutely adore her. I love her very much. Obviously, I named her after Cardano. But we also have Loki over here who is off the camera and also going ham on their chew toy. Actually, I think he's chasing an ant right now. Are you chasing an ant? Can you guys see him? You guys might be able to see him. Here he comes. That is Loki over there. Both pit bull puppies, both very, very young. I absolutely love them. I think I'm going to be bringing them to the show more often. And maybe we'll start doing a segment called Pit Bull Puppies and Crypto. Something. I don't know. I like being around them. They like being around me. So they'll be hanging out a little bit more. Hopefully you guys don't see them do something bad in the background because fingers crossed, right? Fingers crossed they don't go poo-poo or pee-pee in my gym. With that being said, I also do want to apologize. If you guys hear some GPUs in the background spinning off or a fan being really, really loud, I do apologize. I have about 20 GPUs to the left of me mining cryptocurrency. I've been a miner for some time. I just moved my setup here to the gym / mining farm. And if you guys are hearing that, again, I apologize. Eventually, I'll have all of my software and equipment here and be able to cancel that out and bring you guys better quality videos as I do more videos in the mining farm. With that all being said now, let's jump on into CoinMarketCap to see how we're doing as a total market. Right now, we're sitting at a total market cap evaluation for crypto of $2.08 trillion. We have come up just a little bit from yesterday, which is a good thing. All in all, the top 10 coins doing not so good, not so bad. But right now, Bitcoin is down 0.98%. Ethereum's down 0.87%. Cardano's up 14.1%. BNB's up 8.9%. XRP's down 9.7%. Dogecoin is down 12.6%. Polkadot's down 6.3%. And Solana, yet again, doing more work yesterday, up 11.6% over the past 7 days. So all in all, like I said, the top 10 coins doing, not too good, not too great, but we're right there. We are where we are. We only can work with what we got. Let's do just that and jump on into Bitcoin's 4-hour time frame. Now, right now, we're trading Bitcoin for $48,263. And guys, and basically, we've just been sitting here for some time. We came right back up to a good level of support. Matter of fact, if you guys were watching my videos yesterday, I tried to tell you guys not to freak out. I tried to let you guys know that there's a high likelihood of us repeating previous price action because, there's a saying, patterns don't repeat themselves, but they do rhyme, and we did rhyme very closely to previous price action. Watch this 50 EMA line, the same 50 EMA line, this yellow line that I've been pointing out to you guys for several videos now. This 50 EMA line has been holding up quite well over the past pump, guys. Ever since initiating this pump to the upside, look at them. Look at them arguing. What are you arguing about? Quit it. But ever since initiating this pump to the upside, guys, on the 50 EMA, we have bounced quite well several times. We've cut through it, yeah, but then after doing that, we shortly therefore after rallied, recapturing it and used it as support, guys. We did it here. Actually, we did it when we first initially pumped. We did it here, bounced off it like a trampoline, came through it because with every pump, there's a dump. Recaptured it again, bounced off it like a trampoline, did it again here, did it again here. We came through it, recaptured it, bounced off like a trampoline, and now we tested it, bounced, came back down, and now we're recapturing it yet again. So all in all, guys, things are just repeating themselves. I try to let you guys know not to short play the 50 EMA. Right now, we're in a really good spot. Look at previous price actions. Every single time we've dipped down below it, regained our stamina, we made a really good push to the upside on Bitcoin's charts. Not saying that that's necessarily what's going to be happening. I'm just pointing out to you guys previous price action and patterns that I've been seeing on the charts. Now, as far as insight goes, on the lower section of the charts, we can see on the 4-hour time frame, the RSIs are finally starting to point back upwards. Although, like I said, we've just been here at $48,283 for some time now. So it's kind of just stalling out like where we are. We've been going up and down, maybe a couple of $50 or so, not even a couple $100, but around there. I do suspect later on today, because today is Friday, when options close, we're going to see some volatility leading into the weekend. And then, of course, when options open, we're going to be seeing a lot of bullish action. I tried to tell you guys yesterday, there's a lot of calls and puts out there, but right now the scenario is more bullish than bearish. So just something to think about. Go ahead and do your guys' homeworks about the options that are going to be expiring. It's the end of the month, guys. We should be expecting high volatility at the end of the month when options close. That's one of the biggest, most volatile moments of any month is the end of the month when options close. We also had a high level of resistance, which was $51,000 on Bitcoin's price. Those two things matched up and we met them perfectly and just came right back down. We needed to expect that and welcome those pullbacks in order for us to see healthy price increases in the future, guys. Things just added up perfectly. If you guys weren't thinking that we weren't going to dip down, you guys were delusional. It's not realistic. It's just, you know, things repeating themselves necessarily, or at least rhyming, whatever. But yeah, that's what just recently happened. That's what we're going through right now. Like I said in my previous videos, it's just the same old dance routine that we've gone through. You know, we've been here before, guys. Let's act like it. On the 3-hour time frame, you can see our side still pointing back up here on Insight. On the 2-hour time frame, we're still pitching together quite well and pointing back up. Now, take a look at the top section of the charts. These triangles right here usually indicate price reversals or pattern reversals, I should say. They're not price reversals, but pattern reversals. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're just going to keep climbing. It could be reversing back down to the downside. That literally could be it. Like, look what happened right here. It's just showing us that we are reversing a pattern. What pattern that is anybody's guess. There's only other two ways it can go. It can go up or it can go down. But this is a sign on the 2-hour time frame that we are more than likely going to be reversing a pattern. So are we reversing it to the upside, or will we come back down like we previously did when we saw this triangle pattern here? Again, don't discredit it. It could just mean that we're going to keep pumping. Look what happened here, but then look what happened here, and then look what happened here. It's 50-50 right now. Necessarily, it's just showing you guys that, you know, patterns are reversing. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to be going any which direction. It's just something for you guys to keep an eye on. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that things on the RSIs have started to look like they're flattening out. They're losing a little bit of momentum. That doesn't necessarily mean, again, that we're going to be going just downtown again. Excuse me for stuttering. It's just showing us that we are kind of just holding back for a little bit, maybe regaining our composure, our stamina before making another push to the upside. Again, expect volatility, guys. We got to wait till about 4 o'clock Central Standard Time here in the States when options close. I think it's that time for us to really see what the market wants to do. Right now, we're just playing a tug and war game with those people that have options open, whether they have calls or puts open. We're just playing the tug of war game. We go through it every week whenever Friday comes around, especially on the end of the month. So keep that in mind, guys. Right now, some good bullish things happening. Hopefully we can maintain that momentum. Like I said, my predictions are we go into the weekend, some volatility, and then Sunday options open up. We're going to be seeing higher price points, maybe pushing back over $50,000. So that's my price prediction for Bitcoin. That's what I think is going to be happening in the short to near future. Let's go ahead and take a look at ETH. ETH doing fairly well. We came right back up, recaptured $3,200. We're right now trading at $3,241. We went up a little bit above that over the past few hours, but we are where we are. We came back down a little bit. Again, it does look like on the 1-hour time frame that the RSIs are starting to flatten out and like just kind of take a break. On the 2-hour time frame, using Insight, RSIs are pinched together and pointing still up. Again, we just had a reversal signal showing us that things might be turning back around. Which way, I don't know yet. We just gotta kind of wait and see what the market wants to show us. We can't fund run the market. Wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do, guys. Just wait for it to show you what it wants to do. That's the best way to be. Not financial advice, but just letting you guys know something to think about. 3-hour time frame, again, showing us that trend reversal right now. Our sides are still pointing up here. So all in all, we could just range here, guys. We could just range here. And then when options close, we really could see the movement happen. You know, again, I don't want to really say to the upside or downside, but we really could see movement happen. Look at Ada. Look at Ada. I think Loki stole her chew toy. She's like, you took it. Now he's trying to flex on her. Stop growling at your girlfriend. Anyway, guys, going to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the RSIs are still pointing back up on Insight on the lower section of the charts here, guys. Things still look okay. We're just ranging. Matter of fact, if I take out, if I take out the charts right here, you can see on ETH charts, we're still just ranging within this channel that we've been ranging in. I still do think that ETH looks really, really primed to pop soon, guys. I think we'll be seeing all-time highs really, really soon. Maybe not within this next week or so, but I really do think that we've been consolidating for quite a long time, and that ETH looks really good to pop to the upside shortly. So just be on the lookout for that, guys. I would not be selling your ETH if you're a long-term investor. Just something to think about. We have more and more ETH being burnt each and every day. There's less and less ETH on exchanges, guys. The scarcity argument or discussion is real. It is real, guys. Don't short play that. If you guys are selling off your position, you're just selling it off to somebody that's more patient than yourself, guys. Not financial advice, just something to think about. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on over to ADA. ADA doing work, guys. ADA doing work. Jumped right off that 0.786 Fibonacci line and bounced right back up to basically where we were previously for ADA's chart, guys. We're trading at $2.86. Strong moves for ADA. Matter of fact, I think we got all the way up to almost like 290. Yeah, almost to 290 again before coming back down, guys. So strong moves. Again, I try to tell you guys, don't sell your ADA. Too much bullish things happening for ADA right now. You guys are getting shook. You guys are being shook by the market movers and market makers testing liquidity zones. Don't get shook out, guys. Believe in your homework. If you guys are doing the homework, you guys are putting in the work, you guys would know what's really going on. With that being said, guys, that's what I'm seeing. I'm sorry for the stuttering and muttering in the raw video footage. I can't edit anything because I don't have my actual computer that I do everything on. And again, if you're hearing all these background noise, my dog's barking and whatever, Ada, say hi. How could you get mad at that face, though? How could you get mad at that face? She's a sweetie. She's a sweetie. Come here. Come here. Can you come here? No? You want to come here? Yeah? Come here. Come on. Come here. Come say hi. Come here. Let you say hi to everybody. Ooh. This is Ada. She's a sweetie, ain't she? Say bye, everybody. Don't over leverage. Don't overextend. Stay in profits. Be blessed. Peace. Okay, wait. Loki's like, what about me? Guys, this is Loki. Oh, this is Loki. Say bye too, Loki. Don't overextend. Peace. You guys be good. I don't know what I'm doing.